Today I'm going to be playing Animal Hospital with my friend. Hello, would you like to introduce yourself? Oh no! No, please don't shoot me! Alright, would you like to introduce yourself? Would you like to introduce yourself? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is gonna make me sick! Oh my god! Oh my god! What did you just do? Okay, can you introduce yourself at least first? No! Yeah, subscribe.
Wait, we need to check the two patients, or I'm not gonna make it through the shit.
Yeah. This might just be a blooper.
Why'd you shoot me?
Alright, protect it. Protect it. Okay, great. Okay, too bad. We just need to protect someone. We should have been done by it. By now. I wonder if they still need like. Okay, bruises. Band-aid. Oh, I feel sick. Oh, damn, coffee.
You've been sitting there by yourself.
What do you mean he's the best?
Wasting your shots.
The only one that we could actually check in. But no, we're leaving. We are leaving. Okay, guys, that's it. So that jerk decided to end the run. Block them if you can.